good day. I am Marian Velasco and I am your supervisor. So, tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Desiree Arabang, 18 years old. I am applying a executive chef.
What do you think set you apart from other candidates for this position? My special blends of culinary arts background, kitchen management, and personal qualities, particularly my fashion experience in leadership and management. Okay. Why did you choose a career in hospitality, tourism, food service? I choose hospitality, tourism, food service. I chose a career in hospitality, tourism, food service because I am passionate about delivering exceptional experience, cultivating connections, and fostering memorable moments.